BSPRO is located on the west bank of the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Greater Bay Area, Jiangmen. We are located in the core of Jiangmen High-Tech Zone. It is surrounded by 4 major expressways. With over 17 years of experience in solar lighting, we are a full-chain manufacturer integrating research and development, production, and global sales. Our modern factory covers 20,000 square meters with advanced production lines. We support bulk orders from 100 PCS to container loads with stable delivery. We specialize in solar street lights, floodlights, garden lights, and LED drivers. All products are strictly tested for real outdoor performance. We welcome factory audits and provide OEM or ODM customization. Every product undergoes rigorous quality control. On-time delivery guaranteed. Trusted by partners worldwide for infrastructure and commercial projects. Ready to start your next project with a reliable manufacturer? For more information, please contact us.